Hey, hello YouTube, back at it again. I need some LPG. Been fine tuning her for 2 days. Yesterday on benzine and LPG the day before that. Now let's see how she starts. And as you see, she got my ice water because it's pretty hot. The seats are terrible. So I want to X-pipe and I want to go to the garage. I wanted to do that this evening, but something came up, so maybe I'm going this afternoon. Oh, even seen. Standing on dinges and we're going for some LPG, boys. Running niceys. A little bit high in the beginning. Gonna do a warm startup at the LPG, see how she reacts to that. I keep you guys loose in the front. Oh, that is maybe not the best idea because it's so bloody hot. I think I gotta put you on here. A little bit like this. Even a quick one. Strap you in. Got you in the schaduw now, or else you're gonna overheat. For sure. It's not always click and clack. That's it now. Hey, this is not good. Something happened. Lucy. Okay. Oh. This one. Ah, that's one Lucy. Ah, this is better, guys. Okay. Engage. Woo. Open up the windows. Let her roll. No throttle. Rolling. Ooh, boys. Hot. Some like it hot. Sorry. We're gonna go that way. .900 RPM. Goddamn hot, people. Aircon on. I got Arco. My Arco is disengaged. don't know if even my airco pump is still working because it is disengaged. There is an airco pump sitting there. On the front it's a little bit damaged. At temperature now 80 degrees. I'm gonna cut you guys out at the gas station. So the camera can cool down a little bit. It's hot. They say it's not 30 degrees, but feels like 30 degrees. Last time I almost got an accident here. I thought I could go quick to the left, and in the back I didn't see anything, but from the right or from the left somebody came. He saw my action. She's fluctuating a little bit. Driving on benzine. It's our turn now. Keep running nice now. Oh guys, un momento por favor. Into the shade. Un momento. Oh guys, back at it again. Start her up on dinges and now she's warm, so you can see how she does a warm start on gasolina. I was reading something about that. Didn't think I have any complaints about that, so here you go. Doesn't stay running. Oh, that is too much. More, even higher. So when she's warm, doesn't stay running. You can go now. I'm gonna switch it over to LPG. Full bars. Now throttle switched. Ooh, windows a little bit closed. I want to do a complete standstill and see how she rolls on stationary on gasolina. So I think she needs to have a little bit more, as you could see when starting up at the gas station. I have to pick up my son this evening. So we got fuel, boys and girls. X-pipe, boys and girls, that's gonna be it. Because I only got one oxygen sensor. And that needs to be placed back, of course. Running nice, 900. And when she's on fluctuate veel minder dan when on benzine. So, oh, Gemini question. I advise it everybody, leave a frozen bottle of water overnight and you get really cool drink. Ideal. Temperature good, oil pressure good. Whee! She rolls so nice now. We are expecting some rain later this evening because of the heat, of course. I would love me some rain. Man. Open up the window completely on the right side. .900 RPMs. It's not fluctuating on LPG. Steady as a rock. How is that possible? I know why. You get maybe a little bit of false air between the sorry, I'm gonna go that way. Dat maakt wel verschil, ook een test. Die reservoir voor je stuurbekrachtiging moet goed vol zijn. Stuurt hij het beste. Het meeste druk. about that. At the casa, boys and girls. Now, needed to get some LPG for the little road trip tonight. I hear her more already, or it's about 2 or 3 decimal with the delete. It's so quiet. If you if you delete the kidney mufflers, you don't even, yeah, you hear a difference, maybe 2 or 3 decibels more. Don't have a decibel meter, so it's running very nice on LPG. We got 2-bar old pressure and 900 RPM. Take you with me on that one. Let me show you. I'm still recording. Now she doesn't cut out. Even a little bit more higher on dinges because it could run 1000, I think. Well guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next ride.